Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Powell in the Innovation Station, and I want to introduce you to our new 3D printer. It's so awesome. It's printing something right now, and I'm excited to show you all about it. So every month we're gonna have 3D print challenges, and the winner will get to print their idea. This thing can print anything you can imagine. So here's our challenge for the first print challenge for the first time ever at DFE. It has to do with habit number 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Your challenge is to design a talking stick. A talking stick is something that you can hold so everyone around you knows it's your time to talk and their time to listen. So the winner of this talking stick will actually get their talking stick idea made with the 3D printer. So you can work as a class or in groups or in partners, or you can even work by yourself if you want. Just make sure it's creative. And you know what? It'd be interesting if it could feel good in your hand when you hold it. That's a fancy word for ergonomic. So the sky is the limit. Good luck and get working. I think it's got a little while to go, but I'll show you what the end result is. Check it out. Cool, right? All right, good luck.